Future tense, passive voice. Master your English plans. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: using the passive voice in future tense. This is an important grammar skill to have, especially when discussing future plans. This can really level up your English fluency, so stick around to gain some great tips and tricks. The passive voice in the future tense is typically formed by using will be, followed by a past participle. For example, if we have a sentence in active voice like, John will finish the report by Monday, it can be transformed into passive voice as, the report will be finished by John by Monday. Let's look at some specific examples to understand how this works. 1. Active. The organizers will hold the event next week. Passive. The event will be held next week. 2. Active. The gardener will plant new trees in the park tomorrow. Passive. New trees will be planted in the park tomorrow. 3. Active. The chef will prepare the dinner. Passive. The dinner will be prepared by the chef. Remember, in passive voice, the emphasis is usually on the action or the object, not on who is performing the action. Now, it's time for some practice. I'll give you some sentences in active voice. Try to convert them into passive voice in future tense. 1. Active. They will announce the results tomorrow. Pause for a moment. Passive. The results will be announced tomorrow. 2. Active. The company will launch the new product next month. Pause for a moment. Passive. The new product will be launched next month. Keep practicing this transformation from active to passive voice with different sentences. The more you practice, the easier it will become. That wraps up our lesson on using passive voice in future tense. I hope this lesson will be found useful by all of you. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of converting active voice into passive voice in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.